So, Gemshans, if you haven't yet subscribed in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and of course, click the notification bell down below para updated ka every time me and sometimes Baby Shana posted a new video. So, could you be the one? What's up, Gemshans? This is me again, Gem, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you, I am going to show you how I do my bronze makeup look. So without any daldal, without any further ado, let's get jumped into the video. Woo! So guys, as you can see, naglagay na po ako ng contact lens sa mukha ko and of course, bago tayo maglagay ng kung ano na sa face natin is kailangan natin na malinis na yan, naka-moisturize na, toned up na yan, and that's what I've done lately. What? So, ang ilalagay ko na ngayon is ang ating foundation. I know, of course, magpa-primer muna tayo, which is I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So, na lang pala ko dito. So guys, kung napansin nyo, ngayon lang ulit ako nakagawa ng makeup video kasi medyo busy lang ang inyong lingkod. So after the primer, I am going to put some foundation, and I'm just going to use this Maybelline na paubos na. Wala, ang dami. And nasa pouch lang kasi nasabi ko na to sa inyo guys, hindi talaga ako foundation gumamit. So, ayan, medyo napadami lang. So, yun. In the shade, Classic Ivory na pala yun. Gusto ko lang gawin tong makeup vlog na to kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang. So, blend lang natin maigi yung ating foundation, no? And of course, huwag natin kalimutan yung ating leeg. Nalagyan. Of course, maglalagay tayo ng concealer. And, I am going to use this, of course, Sassy Lady Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 04. So, ito siya. Lagi ko itong ginagamit. Wala na yan ito. Lagi ko itong ginagamit. So, makasasi lady kasi talaga ako. So, ayan. And, lagay lang natin siya sa ating under eye. And then, after that is gagamitin ko yung ating Sassy Lady, of course, na loose powder. Wala pa kasi akong ibang gamit talaga dito, as in wala pang bago. Nagpa-plan pa lang ako na mag-try ng ibang products. I'm just going to use this Sassy Lady loose powder in the shade Translucent.
I like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris.
So, moving forward sa ating, of course, kilay. To use my Sassy Lady again na tinted brow gel. So, magkikilay na tayo, guys.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So that's our kilay for today's makeup video. So after that, moving forward sa ating eyeshadow, I am just going to use also this Sassy Lady Eyebrow Palette. So I am just going to use this shade, followed by this shade, and of course this shade. And then ko siya sa shade na to, and then dito. Gets nyo? This one first. Para ma-dry natin yung stickiness na concealer na nasa ating eyelids.
What?
Follow ko siya, this shade.
I want nobody but you.
Tawagin na natin siya. And I am going to use this shade, yung pinaka-black shade niya.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Blend lang natin siya ng i-blend. At ganun lang naman yun, guys. We just have to wait. We just have to wait until the right person comes in our life. Charing! English yun, guys. I-blend lang natin siya ng maayos hanggang sa makuha natin yung texture na gusto natin, outcome sa video na to.
Right, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you
This
wanna go?
one, sobrang mumurahin lang nito, guys. Baka naman, sa mga maraming makeup dyan, gusto niya sa akin, kahit second hand. So blend ko lang tong kulay na to. 1, 2, 3. And lagay ko siya dito sa inner crease. Tama ba? So, ayun.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Oh, 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 oh.
Of course, huwag natin kalimutan ang ating under eye. Gamitin ko tong color na to, guys, dito sa lower part. Lower part ng aking mete. And of course, I use some other brush to use in my under eye.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you.
And then of course, huwag natin kalimutan ang ating contour. I'm going to use my contour palette from, of course, Sassy Lady. Dahil wala talagang iba magamit dito. Baka naman may hindi kayo ginagamit yan. Tasan nyo na. I'm willing to wait. This one, guys. Siyempre, malapad yung ating nung ulagyan natin ng mga something yan. Okay.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go?
And of course, hindi natin kalimutan lagyan ng highlighter. Para kunwari, atangos talaga yung ilong natin.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else,
Of
you
course,
and me.
natin pwedeng kalimutan ang ating false eyelashes. Maglalagay lang ako and then I'll be right back. So, hi guys! I'm back and lagay ko na ang ating false eyelashes and then nag-liquid eyeliner na din ako. As you can see, medyo ano lang yung false lashes natin ngayon. And then, of course, maglalagay na tayo ng lipstick. And then, we're done. So, guys, gamitin ko lang tong lip liner na to from True Lips 055.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
And then, of course, I am going to use this Sassy Lady, of course, lipstick. And as you can see in the shade 04.
Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, na 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 na. Don't need no stress, gal, na 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 na.
And then, of course, blend ko siya. 2-in-1 na kasi ito siya, guys.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you.
So, this is it. This is our finished look. So, I am just going to fix my hair and let's see what we've got. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is our finished makeup look. And hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click the notification bell down below para updated ka every time we posted a new video. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep safe, y'all, and bye-bye!